Morning guys, welcome back to Thailand, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to do a video on what to do and what not to do when coming to Thailand. So in a second we're going to have a sit down and we're going to go through a few things that you should do before coming and things that you definitely shouldn't do while you're here. Okay, so I put the camera down. I'm just going to get straight into it. So the things that you should do before coming to Thailand. First thing is insurance. Have some sort of travel insurance when you're coming here to cover you while you're here, even if you're here for a week or two or longer. If you're coming to retire here and you have a pension, just make sure that your pension has enough money to cover your insurance as well. So you can live comfortably, because a lot of older people have pre-existing conditions. Just make sure that you can get your medication or the treatment that you need from the hospitals out here before you come. So just a recommendation that everybody should get travel insurance before coming to Thailand. Okay. Number two, I would say a Thai SIM card. When you get to the airport, you'll be able to get this everywhere. Just put a Thai SIM card in your phone if it's unlocked. It makes life a lot easier while you're here when you ordering and using apps and stuff. So I recommend DTAC or TrueMove. They're the two good ones that pretty much work everywhere around this place. Okay, the third thing I would say is to download, if you don't already have, the Line app. Thai people like using the Line app. That you can pay and buy things from Line, and it's just easier to have the app. So if you don't already have it, please download it. Okay. Number four, I'd say bring travel adapters. In England we have a 3-pin plug, but here it's only a 2-pin plug. So you might need some adapters for your laptop or phone charger, things like that, if you're travelling just for a few weeks. So bring a couple of adapters with you. It would help you along the way. Okay. Also, number five, you can download the Grab and the Lineman app. These two are your takeaway delivery service. So if you want any sort of Burger King, McDonald's, KFC, whatever it is, your favourite restaurant, most of them are on here. You can order and have it brought to your house if it's on a rainy day and you don't want to go out. Okay. So always use these two people. Next will be number 6 is 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven will be your best friend. There's not many days that I don't visit 7-Eleven at some point. You get all your basics from there, from your cigarettes to your milk, drink, water, whatever you need. I wouldn't recommend living on the food in there. It's okay, but there's so many restaurants and cheap places to eat. Why would you eat from 7-Eleven? But you will need it, and it will be your best friend, so I'm sure you'll be in there at some point soon. Number 7, I would say eat street food. A lot of people are scared to eat street food, thinking they're going to get sick, but it really is not the case here. If you go on your holiday and don't eat street food, I guarantee you will regret it. It is amazing, so please try the street food, okay? And you won't regret it. The other thing on food will be tip number 8 or 9, which will be eat where the Thai people are. If you go past a restaurant and it's full of Thai people, it does amazing Thai food. Go in there and eat. Thai people only eat in certain places, and if there's a restaurant with lots of Thai people, I guarantee the food in there will be really good. So, little tip, try that restaurant, okay? One of the rules are to carry your passport on you at all time, but realistically, who does that? So keep your passport safe and secure, and just carry a copy of your passport with you. If you need it, you can always show it, and then if they want to see the real thing, you can arrange to go and do this, okay? The last one I would say is try and interact with the Thai people. Try and speak the language. They will help you. If you're trying to say something and you get it wrong, they might giggle, but they will try and help you say it the right way. They give you 10 out of 10 for trying rather than not trying. Okay, so and they're very friendly, helpful people, so talk to them. A lot of them know some English as well. Just say hi, and if they talk in English, chat with them, okay, because they're some nice people. Okay, so we're going to go into what not to do when you come to Thailand. Okay, let's get into what not to do. Okay, the first thing is drugs. Drugs are a big no-no here in Thailand. Do not try and bring anything in with you. Do not try and take anything home with you. Stay away from the drug scene while you're in Thailand. It comes with harsh penalties, long prison sentences, and also the death penalty is still here in Thailand. So please stay away from the drugs. Cannabis is slightly different. There will be a separate video to explain the new rules and what you can and can't do and how it is monetized now. But drugs, guys, stay away from the drug scene in Thailand. Okay, number 2 would be overstay. Do not overstay your visa. Find your date, what you need to, and make sure that you go a few days before this, so everything is done in time. If you overstay by 1 day, you will pay 500 baht per day. You will have a red mark in your visa. If you keep doing this, you will be kicked out of Thailand for a period of time. So please keep your visa in check and make sure that you do your dates well in advance, okay? Number 3 would be touching a Thai person on the head. Thai people believe their head is their holy part and the spiritual part and that's closest to Buddha. So to touch a Thai person on the head, even rub their hair, anything like this, is really, really disrespectful to them. So we don't do it here, okay? Number 5 will be your feet. The feet are considered the lowest part, the dirtiest part of the body. So to point at someone or to use your feet to answer a question or direction or something like that, again, is really, really disrespectful in Thailand. So don't use your feet for anything. Keep them on the floor, okay? Number 5 would be the royal family. Do not talk about the king or the royal family. If you stick to this rule, you will have no problems. If you're caught bad-mouthing the king or the royal family, it comes again with harsh prison sentences. This majestic law they've got is serious, and they take it very seriously. So best thing is not to talk about the king or the royal family. If you have a close friend at home or girlfriend you've been with many years, you can talk to her in private about the subject, see her opinion and what she has to say on it, but do not talk about it out in public, okay? You do not want to be caught out saying something wrong. Okay, so number 6 is captured animals. Please do not take pictures of captured animals. Do not pay to go and see tigers in cages and elephants tied up and chained up in sanctuaries and things like this. There are 1 or 2 places, one of each actually. There is one nice tiger place, they do look after them, but a couple of the bad ones got shut down, and some of the bad elephant parks got shut down, and the elephants got moved to proper sanctuaries where they are retired and not used for working anymore. These ones are not so bad, but please do not pay to see animals in capture, okay? We don't do this. We try not to support this here in Thailand, okay? Okay, number 8 is never wear your shoes indoors, okay? It's probably the same most places in the world, but you do not wear your shoes inside a Thai home. Again, very disrespectful. Always take them off before going indoors. Government places, things like that, shops, you can wear your shoes inside. If you do see a big pile of shoes outside, best to take your shoes off. And also, never wear your shoes inside a temple. Always take them off as well. And if you go into a temple, try and make sure your elbows and knees are covered as well, okay? Okay, number 9, which will be whistling at night. Don't come out here in the evening, it's nice and dark, peaceful, nothing to do, cup of tea, smoke, and start whistling. Thai people will tell you to shut up because they think whistling at night brings evil spirits. So it's all good during the day, but at night time try not to whistle, okay? It's into Thai tradition. They believe if you whistle at night you will bring evil spirits, so please don't do this, okay? And the last one, do not do's, is the big one, I think, is to make a Thai person lose face. Guys, you could have an altercation or an argument with somebody here in Thailand, a Thai person, and they could be dead wrong. But if a Thai person is angry at you for any reason, or looks violent, or looks like it could get violent, just bow, say sorry, and back away, okay? Never try and argue with him, never try and say, look, I was right. It's really not going to work out for you. I got done once. I asked the taxi driver how much to the beach. He told me 50 baht. So we got to the beach. I paid him. He goes 100 baht. I said, you told me 50 baht. He said, no, 100 baht. Pay 100 baht. I paid the 100 baht because I know that 50 baht is not worth arguing and making that guy angry, because if they get angry or they lose face, they can turn violent. So don't do this, okay? It will save you a lot in the long run. Okay, so we've been through 10 things what you can do to prepare and what you should do once you get here, a few tips, and also 10 things that you should not do when you're in Thailand. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you're coming to Thailand and you have any other questions, please feel free to drop comments, or let me know if you want to hear about anything else, or you have questions I can do videos on. But for now, guys, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.